Hi, everyone. WooCommerce reviews are a valuable asset for boosting trust and making informed buying decisions. By default, these reviews are often tucked away in tabs on product pages. In this guide, we'll explore how to prominently display WooCommerce reviews outside of tabs, making them more accessible to your customers. But wait, before we jump in, do me a favor. Smash that subscribe button, hit the like button, and ring that notification bell so you never miss a single golden nugget of e-commerce wisdom we're about to drop. Now, let's get started. Step 1. Remove the Reviews tab. By default, WooCommerce displays a separate tab with reviews on product pages. Since we want to display reviews outside of this tab, the first step is to remove the Reviews tab. You will need to add a small snippet with a custom PHP code to remove the Reviews tab. You can add this snippet to either functions.php file of your current theme or use any third-party plugin for code snippets. In this guide, we will use a plugin for code snippets to implement the PHP code for removal of the Reviews tab. Let's go to the Plugins page in the admin dashboard. Then click on the Add New button and search for a keyword, code snippet. Next, pick one of the free plugins and install it. Here, we decided to install a plugin called Code Snippets, but you can pick any other plugin as long as it provides similar functionality. After the plugin is installed, let's add a code snippet like this. All it does is attach a function to the standard WooCommerce filter. The function then unsets or, in other words, removes the Reviews tab. Save the code snippet and reload the product page. The Reviews tab is now removed. Step 2. Install and configure the CusRev plugin. Since we removed the standard WooCommerce tab with Reviews, we now need a plugin that could help us to add reviews to the product page outside of tabs. The free CusRev plugin will help us to display reviews outside of the tabs. Let's follow these steps to install it in your WooCommerce store. Navigate to the Plugins page and click on the Add New button. Search for CusRev, install the plugin, and activate it. In the plugin settings, go to the Shortcodes tab and enable the checkbox to activate shortcodes for display of reviews. Step 3. Choose a shortcode to display reviews. Determine which shortcode to use to display reviews outside of tabs. There are different shortcodes for different visual styles. You can choose between displaying reviews as a list, as a slider, or as a grid. Step 4. Add the reviews shortcode. To insert reviews outside of tabs, follow these steps. Edit the product page. Then, place the shortcode you selected on the previous step at your chosen location in the product description. In this guide, we use the CusRev_all_reviews shortcode to display reviews as a list, for example. And we will add this shortcode after the product description. Step 5. Customize the display, optional. You can further customize the appearance of the reviews to match your website's design. This may involve modifying the shortcode or using custom CSS. Wrapping up, by following these steps and using the CusRev plugin, you can easily display WooCommerce reviews outside of tabs, making them more accessible and prominent to your customers. This can enhance the credibility of your products and help potential buyers make informed decisions. Remember that specific implementation may vary depending on your WordPress theme, so consult the theme's documentation for additional styling options. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you in the next video.